We are here ngayon sa Barangay Barrientos, Luna, La Union. 40 minutes lang ito from the surfing capital of the Philippines, San Juan, and 1.5 kilometers lang sa Bahay na Bato. And beside me is our beachfront, 1,000 square meters. We are selling it now.